Okay, percussion, this is Hang On Sloopy. And really, Hang On Sloopy is two main ideas. So, idea one is the beginning. Okay, so there's that rhythm there. And that rhythm's going to happen quite often. You're going to repeat that quite often throughout the piece. So, that makes up about half of it. The other half is going to be this rock beat here where you're going to be doing taps with your right hand, snare drum with your left hand. And that's about it. So once you learn those, the piece actually comes really easily. So let's take a look at measure 1. Measure 1 is comprised of 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. Okay, so each individual beat would be 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. So then lining it up together, 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. One more time. 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. I'm going to start speeding that up so you can play it with me. 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. Okay? Now measure 2. Measure 2 is 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. So each individual beat would be 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 and, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. So together, measures 1 and 2 slowly would be 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. A little faster. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 E and. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. Okay? Now going from there, measure 3, we have and 2 and 4. So we have no downbeat on 1 or 3. The only downbeats are on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then that continues into measure 4. 1 and 2. But now we actually have 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So 3 and a 4 is the end. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Measures 3 and 4 would be 1 and 2 and 4 and 2, 3 and a 4. So the first 4 become this. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 2 and 4 and 3, 3 and a 4. And then it just repeats. If you notice, measures 5, 6, 7, 8 are the same. Measures 25, 26, 27, 28 are the same. 29, 30, 31, 32. Again, the same thing. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. You notice just the 4 measure chunk right there is half the piece. So really focus on just learning measures 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Now, the other thing you should look at learning is going to be this rhythm, which is simply right hand, 8 taps. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Your left hand will join in on beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now once you get to the 4th measure, you have what's called a fill. We have and 4 and. That is in measure 12. Also in measure 16 and 20. And a slightly different fill in 23. Those fills are simply a way of tying together the four measure phrase. So measure 12 would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We get to that fill. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We gotta come back to the drum with that right hand. 1 and 2, sorry. 1 and 2 and 3, come back, and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So measures 9 to 12 would be 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. And then you get back to it again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 17. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4. Now right here, measure 23, we have 1 and a, 3 and a 4 and. 3 and a 4 and. That's a different fill. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and. Slightly different. Measure 23 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Measure 24 is something different as well. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then we get back to the same thing. You find that same fill at the very end, measures 51, 52, and 53. So the only time we get to something a little bit different is 49. 49 to the end. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. But really, that's just going to be some variations on things you played earlier. So if you learn measures 1 to 4, and then measures 9, 10, 11, and 12, you're going to be able to be, you will be okay at the rest of the piece. Okay, there you go.